Hare Krishna. Good evening, guys. The topic for the day is 5G in India. As we all know, India is speeding towards 5G. 5G means speed, data transfer within few seconds. Okay, so with the introduction of 5G in India, not only it will help the students who are looking for better education, but also for the farmers who are looking for new technology. In India, the government has decided to launch 5G network in India in October 12th, 2022. I think tomorrow is the day. Today I'm recording this video on 11th of October, and tomorrow will be the day that 5G will be introduced in India. Okay, after that 5G, okay, it will create a whole new world for augmented reality, virtual reality for the people. Healthcare sector will be improved. New technology, new inventions you can do. When you have high speed data, you can build a fast ecosystem where everything is fast, efficient, and convenient. Okay, it will also make the digital payment, the financial of the country strong. Nowadays also it is strong because of the 4G network, but still with the introduction of 5G network, it can increase manifold. Third is your agriculture sector. The farming, the farmers will get new technology, new products, so that they can use it in their productivity. Everyone has a phone, in that high connectivity is there, and they can be connected to various people at the same time. They can share data, they can receive data, and they can collect information. Okay. Now talking about the challenges. So it's not all about these positive things about a 5G, but there is some negative points also. First is lack of fiber infrastructure. There is a still lack of fibers. Most of the areas, remote areas, we don't have fiber optics connection. Say for example here also, where I am living in Ashiana, it's a bit outskirts of Jamshedpur, and here there is no optical fiber, so you have to use your mobile data. There is no Wi-Fi connection. So still the government of India should focus on expanding their fiber infrastructure, so that the 5G network can be reached to each and every mile of this country and to each and every people of this country. Okay, the second problem is pricing. Okay, see, when the 4G came, it was price high. It was the price was high. Okay, and not all the smartphones supports a 4G network. So people need to upgrade the mobile phone which support the 4G network. So they have to spend extra money. Okay, few more thousands. And with the introduction of 5G now, the cost will be high, and people are not forced to, but if they want to switch from 4G to 5G, they have to spend extra money for getting that 5G mobile phone. And let me tell you, the 5G mobile phone is costly in India still, so it will take time. Okay, and third is unskilled labor. With the introduction of high-speed internet 5G, you need software developers, you need data scientists, AI, ML, because with that high-speed internet you can more focus on enhancing your technology through AI and ML. But in India is only 3% skilled labor now, those who are working in AI and ML. So this is a challenge. We need to educate people about AI, ML, about technology, about data science, so that they can use this network for the benefit of the country. So 5G, at the end, in the conclusion, I would say 5G is the need of the hour because we need fast internet, but the challenges we face is connectivity, pricing, and labor. If government tries to focus on all these weak areas, then 5G would be a big hit, and definitely it has the power to change the future of the country. With that note, this is Shak Lal signing off. See you tomorrow this with another topic of Speed Daily. Till that time, bye bye. Love you. Hare Krishna.